Welcome. This is a page built with Thrive Architect, and I use this one for videos, but usually I embed my videos, which I learned later on that video embeds usually slow your site down, right? So this is what I came up with, which is a fantastic addition to Thrive Architect recently, but it's not very intuitive to do. I mean, what I added here is this video pop-ups.
Was just stated in the earlier slides.
Like that. And let's say click here. Okay, so they're just gonna pop up. So these are nothing but images, but we enable them to click and open up and start playing a video. And this way your site doesn't get slow, yet you have a fantastic way to represent your videos through pop-ups. So let's get started. All right, we are at the WordPress backend, and I'm going to go ahead and find my videos page and start with the Thrive Architect. All right, so editor loading up, and here it is. And this is where all my pop-up videos are connected, right? But the thing is, it is not intuitive enough. I mean, at the first hunch, you always want to go here and say something like video, right? And you do get a video and you drag and drop, but what you get is an embedded video, right? So that's not what we're looking for. And this has nothing to do with this. This is a completely different story. So that's why I decided to create it, because it looks simple. It is simple, but if you don't know how to do it, you're going to be lost with this video. And it's very hard to find in documentations how to do it. So let's get started here. I'm just going to go ahead and bring in a content box up top here. And in here, I'm going to go ahead and bring an image. And this is going to be my banner image. All right, so this is nothing but an image, very simple, right? So here what we do, we have to find animation and action. See, this has nothing to do with videos, so it's very easy to look at it and avoid it because it is animation, it's not video. But if you come here though, this is what you get. You had CSS animation, you have pop-ups, and you have created hyperlinks. Even here, nothing tells you that it could be a video, right? So this is very confusing. So what I did, I clicked on pop-ups. So once you click on pop-up and click, that's when you get to see it's a Thrive Lightbox, image, or open video. So before that, there's no way to know where they're hiding, right? So now you click on this video, and I'm going to go ahead and choose a YouTube, and in here I'm going to paste my URL, and in here I'm going to keep this autoplay checked. You can disable cookies, optimize related, etc. Hide full screen, hide logo, all that stuff you can do. None of these I'm going to go ahead and do, but I'm going to keep autoplay and apply and save my work. All right, now let's go to our page. Let's refresh. There you go. Actually, let's just center it for the heck of it because it looks better. Layout and position. Boom. All right, save that. Now let's refresh again. Now it is centered like everybody else. Now if you click on it, you get your video. Usually by default it's muted, but you get to turn it on anytime you like. You get to go to full screen and come back, and you have your nice little pop-up video going once again. So this is how we create pop-up videos in a Thrive Architect page. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please smash the like button and the subscribe button. This will help me bring more free contents like this to you every week. Thanks again.